I welcome you all to my 7th lecture on digital signal processing, that is UEC 502 for electronics and communication engineering students and electronics and computer engineering students. Today we will discuss implementation of discrete time systems, that is structures for the realization of LTA systems. Let us consider the first order system, which is defined by a linear constant coefficient difference equation, that is Yn is equal to minus a1 yn minus 1 plus b naught xn plus b1 xn minus 1. Here yn is present output, yn minus 1 is output delayed by 1 unit, xn is present input, xn minus 1 is input delayed by 1 unit, and a1, b naught and b1 are constant coefficients. This equation is going to be realized by using this structure as shown. Now I have marked A and B section here clearly. This is one independent LTI system. This is second independent LTI system, and both are arranged in cascade. Both are arranged in cascade. This structure is called direct form 1 structure. Now here input xn is given, and this is going to be multiplied by b naught here, and here after this delay element, z inverse is showing delay element, memory element. Output is xn minus 1, which is going to be multiplied by b1, and here adder is going to add the b naught xn and b1 xn minus 1 to give yn, to give vn. Here it is vn is equal to b naught xn plus b1 xn minus 1. Now this is second LTA system. Here vn is input and the output is yn. The output yn is delayed by 1 unit to give yn minus 1. This is going to be multiplied by minus a1 to give minus a1 yn minus 1 here to the adder. So the output of adder is vn minus a1 yn minus 1, which is equal to yn. Hence this structure justifies this equation for first order system. This realization uses separate delays memory element for both the input and output signal samples. Here one delay element, here second. This delay element delays input signal, this delay element delays output signal, and it is called direct form 1 structure. This system can be viewed as two LTA systems in cascade, that is A and B in cascade. Looking at A and B, it is clear that the first structure, first LTA system A, is a non-recursive system described by the equation Vn is equal to B naught xn plus B1 xn minus 1 from this loop. The second LTA system B is a recursive system, this described by equation Yn equal to minus a1 yn minus 1 plus Vn. So this is a recursive system. This is a non-recursive, this is a recursive system. Direct form 1 structure. Now by using the concepts of signals and systems, if we interchange the order of the cascaded linear time invariant systems, the overall system response remains the same. This means if I put this LTA system B here and put LTA system A here, or we can say interchange the location of A and B, then the overall system response is not going to change. It will remain same. So let's do it. It leads to this type of structure. I have interchanged B and A. Now this structure comes into picture, that input xn, here auxiliary quantity Wn is here. When this Wn passes through delay element, it will at this point I will achieve Wn minus 1, and now Wn is equal to xn plus minus a1 Wn minus 1. In this structure, yn output is equal to b naught Wn, and from this loop plus b1 Wn minus 1. Now clearly there are two delay elements, here one delay, here second delay. But if you look at this, you will find that at this node there is Wn minus 1. At this there is also Wn minus 1. Then why to use two delay elements separately? So the option is merge them. Merge these two elements, delay elements. However, the above shown two delay elements in this structure can be merged into one delay for the auxiliary quantity Wn, because here Wn and here at this point I want Wn minus 1. Why to use this delay? So I am going to merge this in this structure. After merger of these two delays, this structure eventually comes into picture. That is, here Wn, and here at this node I am achieving Wn minus 1, b naught at this path, b1 at this path, and minus a1 coefficient at this point. This, if you will calculate yn and yn from this structure, you will find these two equations are correct. Do it at your places by yourself. You will find this. It is very easy. The new realization requires only one delay. Now here it is only one delay because we have merged these two elements, and hence it is more efficient in terms of memory because we require less delay elements. It is referred to as the direct form 2 structure, which has found extensive applications in practical scenarios. So in practical fields, we go for, as far as the implementation of structures, LTE system structures is concerned, we go for direct form 2 structures. Now extend this case to the general system. These structures can be generalized for the general LTI recursive system described by the linear constant coefficient difference equation, that is yn is equal to minus summation k running from 1 to n ak yn minus k plus summation k running from 0 to capital M bk xn minus k. Now yn minus k is delayed output by k units, and xn minus k is delayed input by k units. ak and bk are scale factors or constant coefficients. Now I can view two summations here. Now this is, if I write this equation in this form, I will find that it is yn is equal to minus summation k running from 1 to n ak yn minus k plus vn. I am writing this equation as vn. So this forms a recursive system. This equation indicates a recursive system which depends upon vn and the past outputs, where vn is equal to summation k running from 0 to capital M bk xn minus k. And this equation, as vn is dependent upon only input values present and past, so this is non-recursive system. Just as previous case for first order system, we can extend to general case. We can reverse the order of these two systems to obtain the direct form 2 structure for n greater than or equal to m. So first of all, I will form the direct form 1 structure. So this is direct form 1 structure as we have done for the first order system. Here xn minus 1, here xn minus 2, and here xn minus capital M, and that is scaled by bm, and this is adder, and this is going to be finally added here to give vn, which is equal to summation. So vn is equal to summation k running from 0 to capital M bk xn minus k. So from this part, this is justified. So this section is non-recursive system. This section is non-recursive. Now vn is input to this section. Look at this. This is output yn, here yn minus 1, which is going to multiply minus a1. This at this point yn minus 2, yn minus capital N, which is going to multiply by minus an. This is added here, this is added here, this is added, and finally added with vn. And this equations comes into picture, which is a recursive system. So here in direct form 1, there is a non-recursive system, and then there is a recursive system in cascade. This is LTI system A, this is LTI system B. For n greater than equal to m, this is the structure. Now for the direct form 2 structure, what we need for direct form 2 structure, we can merge delay elements as we have done earlier. So first we will plot the intermediate stage, in which here I have changed interchange the position section A and B. Now clearly there is an auxiliary like this. There is an auxiliary quantity Wn, and when we see that here it is Wn at this node, Wn minus 1, Wn minus 1, and so on. Why to use two delays? Why not merge it? So after merging, this equation eventually comes into picture. So here Wn, here Wn minus 1, but the output remains same. So for when we will calculate Yn, it will justify this equation. Xn and Yn will remain same. So if n is greater than equal to m, then number of delay elements is n. Here n is greater than m. So number of delay elements is decided by n. But if m is greater than n, then number of delay elements will be decided by capital M. The direct form 2 structure requires m plus n plus 1 multiplications. These constant coefficients. It requires maximum m, n delay elements, whichever is higher. The direct form 2 structure requires the minimum number of delay elements. The direct form 2 structure requires the minimum number of delay elements for realization of the above system. Therefore, it is sometimes referred to as a canonic form. This structure is the cascade of a recursive system. Now, what is Wn here? Wn is minus summation k running from 1 to n, ak Wn minus k plus xn here. Followed by non-recursive system, Yn is equal to summation k running from 0 to capital M, bk Wn minus k. So this is, here it is recursive, here it is non-recursive. Here it is recursive, here it is non-recursive by interchanging the position of section A with B. Now special case 1. Let us consider that ak is equal to 0 for all k, that is k equal to 1 to n. Now this general equation becomes Yn is equal to summation k running from 0 to capital M, bk xn minus k. Here it is purely non-recursive LTI system. Yn is weighted moving average of the input signal. How? Bk is weight input signals, xn is input signal, and xn minus k is delayed input signal. This system considers most recent m plus 1 input signal samples. This system can also be viewed as an FIR system with an impulse response HK is equal to BK. So replace BK with HK, where HK is impulse response of FIR system. Here HK is equal to BK for K running from 0 to capital M, or K ranging from 0 to capital M, or 0 otherwise. So this LTI system is behaving as an FIR filter or FIR system, finite impulse response system. It is how we realize FIR system. The output Yn is simply represented as Hn convolved with Xn, that is linearly convolved with Xn. So it is how we implement FIR system or FIR filter. Now case 2. Let us assume that m is equal to 0 or bk is equal to 0 for k equal to 1 to capital M. Now this equation, this general linear constant coefficient difference equation becomes, for case 2, it becomes yn is equal to minus summation k running from 1 to capital N, ak yn minus k plus b naught xn. The system output is a weighted linear combination of n past outputs, this yn minus k past output, and the present input xn. The second order systems, why we are interested in second order systems? The second order systems are usually used as basic building blocks for realizing the higher order systems, which is an important subclass of the aforementioned general system. That is, LTI systems described by second order difference equation are building block for the higher order systems. So we are more interested in second order systems. The most general second order system is described by the difference equation yn is equal to minus a1 yn minus 1 minus a2 yn minus 2 plus b naught xn plus b1 xn minus 1 plus b2 xn minus 2. For capital N is equal to 2, capital M is equal to 2. Yeah. Fine, this is very simple to show. Now how, as we have done earlier, this can be implemented by direct form 2 realization as shown like this, with minimum number of delay elements. Very simple. If you have understood the general form, then it is very easy to write this, that is, or plot this direct form 2 realization. Now we discuss two special cases. One with a1 equal to a2 is equal to 0. Now this is yn, when a1 and a2 are 0, yn is equal to b naught xn plus b1 xn minus 1 plus b2 xn minus 2. So this structure will look like this: xn b naught. Here at this point it will be xn minus 1 into b1. At this point xn minus 2 b2. All are summed up to give yn. It is a special case of FIR system. It is how we usually implement FIR filters or tab delay line filters. This is the basic of tab delay line filter, how the FIR systems are implemented. Now if b1 is equal to b2 is equal to 0, in this equation, an is equal to minus a1 yn minus 1 minus a2 yn minus 2 plus b naught xn. That is, only present input is there and past outputs are there. So this, it is a purely recursive second order system. So it is implemented by this. Here xn, here yn is there. Here at this point I will receive yn minus 1 minus a1 yn minus 1. Here at this point yn minus 2 is received. So it is going to be multiplied by minus a2 yn minus 2. So at this point b naught xn minus a2 yn minus 2, and here minus a1 yn minus 1 is added up more, and we form this equation. So this structure is justified. So this equation is implemented through this structure. But we are very much interested in this, that how FIR filters are implemented, or FIR system is implemented through tab. This is also called tab delay line filter. This is basic of tab delay line filter. The next example, we use one example. We have a system with an input output equation yn is equal to k running from 0 to m hk xn minus k. That is non-recursive FIR system, or you can say it a filter FIR system. This is going to be implemented here. HK, that is impulse response, is bk over m plus 1 for k ranging from 0 to capital M. This is impulse response of FIR system, and 0 otherwise. So look at this. This in the denominator m plus 1 is there. So I can consider it as a constant coefficient, that is 1 over m plus 1. So I will implement it like this: xn as input, yn as output. Here b naught is going to be multiplied by xn. At this point I will have output, I will have signal xn minus 1 at this xn minus 2. So b1 is going to be multiplied by xn minus 1. Here b2 is going to be multiplied by xn minus 2 and so on. And here xn minus m is going to be multiplied by bm. And ultimately, there is a scale factor or constant coefficient, that is 1 by m plus 1 equal to yn. It is how non-recursive realization of an FIR system is implemented. This is a very good example that how FIR systems are implemented or FIR filter is implemented. Then the above shown FIR system is used for computing the moving average of xn by using b1 is equal to b2 is equal to bk is equal to 1. That is all coefficient 1. It follows that yn is equal to summation k running from 0 to m, as b1, b2, bk are 1. So it is xn minus k over m plus 1. So all input, present input and delayed inputs are going to be averaged. This is moving average of xn. Here just put b0, b1, b2, bk, all coefficient equal to 1. b0, b1, b2, bk, all 1. Now, this is non-recursive realization of FIR system. Now we have option to make it recursive also. How? I can make this system as recursive system also. This is FIR implementation, that is non-recursive. Now we can express the above equation as yn is equal to 1 over m plus 1 xn, xn minus 1, xn minus 2, like this. Now I am going to tick these two terms, xn, and this is minus xn minus m minus 1. I have added one term, subtracted same term here, xn minus m minus 1, here and here, same term, added and subtracted. So I tick these two terms, xn and xn minus m minus 1. Now these underlined or marked, these marked terms can be written as or represented in this equation, that is 1 over m plus 1, k running from 0 to capital M, x n minus 1 minus k, and plus 1 over m plus 1, this ticked, xn, this ticked, minus xn minus 1 minus m. So if you look at this, this is yn minus 1. So yn is equal to yn minus 1 plus 1 over m plus 1 xn minus m minus 1 minus m. So how to implement it? I am first concerned about this. This is xn. This is delayed m minus, this is delayed to give xn minus m minus 1 here. So xn from this loop, from this line, and xn minus m minus 1 from this line is subtracted, and here I will have xn minus 1 minus m over 1 over m plus 1. Now for this I will use a recursive unit yn. By this delay it is yn minus 1, this is added here. So output is yn equal to yn minus 1 plus 1 by m xn minus 1 minus m. So it is how this is a recursive realization of the system, which this equation is realized. It is how this equation is realized. In the FIR, if I want a non-recursive realization of an FIR system, I will use this structure for B0, B1, B2, Bk is equal to 1. That is for this equation. I will just substitute B0, B1, Bk or Bm is equal to 1 and use this for FIR system. I can make this equation to I can realize this equation through recursive realization also, like this. Here it is recursive part. So it is how FIR systems are implemented, and it is how we can generate recursive systems. So thanks for attending the lecture on DSP, and that's all for this lecture. See you in next lecture. And for this course on digital signal processing, you need to follow these reference books. And for self-study, you can purchase 1 or 2 books of your own choice from this list. Thank you.